Site Search and Select, we source, secure, and contract hotel venues all around the world for our clients' conferences, meetings, and events. We've been in business for 28 successful years. We work in a broad array of different industries. We work on 6 continents, and to date, we've booked more than 5,500 successful meetings and events.
I'm the main contact between the hotels and Site Search and Select when we're doing the venue sourcing for our corporate clients for their meetings and events. I also keep track of the reconciliation for the bank accounts as well as the credit card accounts.
So previous to 2019, we had worked for many years with a legacy accounting system. Some of the challenges that we faced with our previous system was that it just wasn't very intuitive. I did not think it was really up to date or spoke a global language. We were working in silos. Everything that had to do with the client or CRM or reporting was done in silo A. And then separately, we had to set up everything with the financial part of our business. So I was really frustrated and really looking for a new, modern, efficient system to migrate to with our finances. Zoho has really given us a new perspective on how to look at the financial aspect of our company. And once we came into the use of Zoho CRM, we brought in Breakthrough Solutions, a trusted Zoho partner for Zoho Books.
We met Michael and Bill from Site Search Select from a CRM consultant. He had first migrated them from an old legacy CRM to Zoho CRM. And Michael started hearing more about Zoho Books and really realized he wanted to make the change.
Some of the factors that we took into consideration while examining Zoho Books was how compatible was it going to be? How easy was it going to be for our staff to use?
So we created a project plan to migrate the data from the old system to Zoho Books. We provided training on how to use the system.
And Ann Jaggert, the president of the company, was able to really talk us through the full potential of what Zoho Books could do specifically for the uniqueness of Site Search and Select. I felt with the combination between CRM, talking to books, along with all the other programs that were happening, and it was just made sense for my business because Books was a good product. It was very modern. It answered a lot of our needs, and it talked to my CRM. And Zoho Books brought a new perspective that everybody embraced, and we just really love the product.
Okay, one of the new features with Zoho Books that we've started initiating this past year is the projects and time tracking. As each new meeting comes, I do a project name and keep track of the hours and minutes that for each task, and we probably have done about 100 plus projects now from year to date. Let us keep track of how much time we're spending per project.
The workflow is as follows at Site Search and Select. Here on the sales side, we use CRM to put the contract together for the client and formalize it. Once that happens, we turn it over to our operations and sourcing, which then begins to work with Zoho Books. We create the estimate in Zoho Books, and we also utilized very exclusively for our company the projects module within Zoho Books to keep track of exactly every step along the way of curating the hotel list, sending out the RFP, which was a system that was created exclusively for our company, and then negotiate the contract. Once the contract is signed between the venue and the client, it gets turned back over for the client to manage the program and execute the program. We then, at that point with Zoho Books, turn our estimate into an invoice, send it out to the hotel for payment, and then we receive payment and the project is closed.
And I match each of the transactions as they come through. Then at the end of the month, each account is reconciled, and it's pretty seamless. You just click the setting button and you hit reconcile, and then you make sure that everything is matched to 0, 0, and you just push the button and everything is done. and then you attach the statement to the each month.
Site Search and Select works with so many different locations, countries, and currencies around the world. The last system seemed to be a lot more manual adjustments with foreign currencies. So I'm really happy to report that we feel very comfortable and good with how Zoho Books has been designed with their multi-currency platform. Those were the important things to me. How is this going to take us from what we were doing before, which was flatlined with finances, to really creating this tool that really spoke to the uniqueness of our company and how to handle our finances on a global basis. And with support from Zoho, we really pulled everything together. Everything is seamlessly talking to each other, and the amount of time that we saved and what we can see, the whole picture of our business is much more colorful these days, and it allows us the opportunity to make much better business decisions moving forward.